my friends. I'm going to be doing a straight pour today, but first I'd like to show you how I embellished the last swipe I did. This was last week's video. If you missed it, I will link it up above. I did end up tinting the top portion blue because it was very white, and this helps it recede into the background, I think. And also because blue is a complementary color of the orange, it really helps the tangerines stand out. So I'm pretty pleased with that, and it'll be on my website shortly. It's also time to pick the winner of that little painting that I promised to give away. So I will add that to the middle of the video. For now, let's get going on filling up this cup. Oh, my colors today are all Artist Loft. They're all opaque, and I've kept them all pretty thick. I've got Aqua Green, Gold, Black, Bronze, Cobalt Blue Hue, and Burnt Umber. I just mixed them with 2 parts Floetrol, a splash of Creative Inspirations Polymer Gloss, and no water at all. So they are on the thick side. Let's see how that works out. Okay, my friends, it's time to pick a winner for this little painting I said I was going to give away. I'm all ready here to pick the winner, and let's get going. And the winner is Lisa Weeks. Ooh, coffee, my all-time favorite. Cellmania, just gorgeous. Well, thank you, Lisa, and congratulations. I hope you see this. Send me your mailing address at CHRISTINEJ@yahoo.com, and I'll get this painting off in the mail to you as soon as possible. Okay, and now let's get back to the video. Okay. This could be on the dark side. We'll see. And here we go. Traveling straight pour. I'm a little surprised that it has mixed together so much. Since the colors were so thick, you can see how they're real crisp over here, and over here it's more of a blend. Well, we'll see how it tilts out. Oh. I may speed this part up because I'm going to tilt slowly and not add any extra paint to the canvas.